What's up, cousins?
I'm Aja.
I'm Blue.
And this is
Coolin' with Cousins.
Without summertime in mind, feel like we're heating up. Destined to be a star, and I don't need the luck. Push through everything like I don't need a truck. So fly like I ain't need the buzz. So high I say to myself, how you keeping up? Heart's cold, so froze like I ain't need the love.
And today we are doing Guess That Sandwich. Greedy. And so we have 3 sandwiches from 3 different restaurants. Mm-hmm. You know we had to do Popeyes.
Of course.
Which, let me tell you about Popeyes, because I'm still mad. Sure. I went to Popeyes on Central Ave in Albany, right?
Let them know.
They gave me my whole order except the chicken sandwich, which was the whole reason I was going there.
How dare you?
Luckily, and side note, we live 45 minutes away, so it's not like I could just go back and get it. No, I didn't drive all the way up there for a chicken sandwich. I had to be up there anyway. So I stopped and got it. Okay. Upside, Yellow Hand also got a chicken sandwich, and she really came through in the clutch and gave us half of her sandwich so we could use it. Yeah, she's good.
Appreciate you.
She's the shit. And we also got one from McDonald's and Burger King. We're going to be blindfolded so you can't see them because they do look different, and we're trying to just go based off taste. So, Yellow Hand and Big Hand, who we haven't had with us in
a long
quite some time.
Very long.
Right. He finally decides to make an appearance. Will be helping us with our sandwiches. So we don't know what order they're coming out. We don't know what. We are going to try and order them and see if we can guess which sandwich is from which restaurant.
And we'll be blindfolded.
We will be blindfolded. We are relying solely on our taste and smell.
Which y'all know in the past, I suck at. So, fingers crossed.
May
we'll
the
see what
best
happens.
cousin win.
Yeah.
All right. So, don't laugh at our blindfolds because we forgot to get not bootleg ones.
Where mine's at?
I took it.
You took it?
I was going to say stole it and took it at the same time. And
you took it?
Said that. All right. Take off my specs.
Yeah.
All right. If y'all want to tell me which one is coming first,
feel free to drop it in the comment section.
Not them. I was talking about those 2 over there with the hands. So I could get the answers.
Yo, mad petty.
Make sure Aunt or Blue can't see because we know one of us like to cheat, and it's not me.
I don't ever cheat.
I always tie this like I'm tying up my hair at night.
She messing up my lashes.
Y'all got this scarf? Everybody got this scarf. Or the white one with the colorful?
That is classic.
This is authentic from the Chinese.
You ain't never get a washing set if you only got that scarf. That scarf was strictly for washing sets back in the day.
That's a fact. And then make sure you show them which one you're giving us first.
Don't bring no bonuses or add no stuff and cheat. This might be a little ASMR too. You got the mic set up.
All right, so we can start?
Yeah, you can start.
And we cut them all the same way.
It's kind of cold.
Because we took forever to start off. Pickles. McDonald's.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
I'm going to say that. Popeyes. Burger King. How you want to say it when we guess? 1, 2, 3, or?
Let's go.
We want to say 1, 2, 3, go, or you want to just?
I was still eating though.
Yeah, me too.
It's kind of good. You know what I'm saying? Got a little cotton mouth, but it's good.
Oh, you just heard my mandible pop?
You got another piece?
Mm-hmm. You don't need another. You just want another piece because you think it's good, not because you're trying to guess.
Oh.
You can get the rest after we're done.
That's
1, 2, 3. McDonald's.
Popeyes.
What should we do? Should we unfold and see which one? Or no? So number 1, I said McDonald's, you said Popeyes. We'll do it all at the end.
Let me clear my palate.
Big Can. Can you use the board and just remember what we said first?
I said Popeyes.
I said
McDonald's. What?
McDonald's.
That one. Hold on, I gotta fix my thing. I'm not looking. I promise.
Thank you. Who was it?
It was me.
What? What happened? Y'all cheating?
Nah,
No.
I'm gonna use your leg. I was over here like this, trying to find my drink, and I still wasn't hitting it, and then Tiff had to come put it in my hand because I wasn't finding nothing.
Speaking of that,
Anthony, you said yours, the first one was Popeyes, right?
Popeyes, yeah.
Okay.
I said McDonald's.
You said what?
Y'all got the second one in front of y'all already.
I don't need a drinky drink. This is a Thai iced tea from Yummy Kitchen. You ready?
Round 2.
Fight.
Let's go, bucko.
Oh.
Can we go with Phil too? Because I just went for the last one.
Yeah, I guess. That's one of your sentences. Just can't see it.
Huh?
Just can't see it. That was moist. That was moist. That was moist. That was moist. Okay.
Like shoe combo? That was a wet bird.
Oh.
You fought it too?
That was a mouth fart. Cucumber?
This is a McDonald's shit. I'm gonna say McDonald's. But I'm gonna eat it.
Nope. Nope. It's a no for me. Can I have a napkin, please?
That's a McDonald's pickle. Yeah, that ain't it, McDonald's. But I'm hungry.
You going McDonald's? I'm going Burger King.
Alright.
Thank you. I don't like that at all.
That little crispy edge.
You got a crispy edge, I got a wet edge. Charles licked my sandwich before he gave it to me.
Alright, bet.
Sorry, big
Oh
man.
yeah, this is crunchy right here.
That's not even fair. You sound like you mad enjoying it. I'm over here trying to upchuck it out my nose.
Up, chuck it. Why you ain't down, chuck it? I got my answer.
1, 2, 3. Burger King.
McDonald's.
I feel like when I don't have eyes, I be mad different.
Like a character?
Yeah. Like I don't even move so much. Cause I'd be like, my eyes. I don't know. Like, never mind.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I can't explain it. 1, 2, 3.
Hold, let me clear my palate.
Let me clear my. You got your eyes closed too? Under the thing? You think people just be having blindfolds on, be having their eyes open?
I thought about that. Like, yeah, it's awkward. Like, who the fuck you looking at?
Like, I ain't got nothing else.
You ain't looking at nobody. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Why you got me a little one?
Oh.
That's nasty. It tastes like a bodega.
Oh.
Damn.
My jaw keep popping. That's salty.
I hope that ain't Popeyes because they're blindfolded. It's nasty.
Well, I guess my last option is Popeyes.
Burger
I
King.
only choose first.
That tastes like
Oh, good.
y'all brought that at Stewart's.
Oh, good. It's better than that last one we did have.
No,
That last one, nasty.
Take it away.
This tastes worse than the last one.
Yeah, that was for sure the nastiest. For taste, it went in order. First one was the best. Second one was the second best. This one just wasn't it.
Really?
I'm glad y'all gave me a small piece.
This one good. Ah.
Yeah, they do that.
I probably remind me every time.
I could have did it myself. Thank you, hands. I don't know which one of y'all. You done with your joint?
I'm still chewing. Hold on.
She ate the whole thing.
Oh, yummy.
That joint is nasty.
I'm doing ASMR.
Disrespectfully nasty.
That's how you sound.
To help you taste it. So?
No, I love that you enjoy your food so much.
You got to.
I'm almost done.
That nasty ass
All right, so we can
sandwich.
take these off.
Whoa.
You're just burping, whoa at the same time.
Holy crap. Let my eyes adjust for a little bit. So that light bright. I feel like I'm coming to the light.
And make sure you put on there. My angel. Make sure you put.
Oh, no.
They won't stop doing this.
Do you watch Ghost with Patrick Swayze?
Really, nigga?
Where's your childhood?
Ninja Turtles.
Don't cry about it. We can watch it. Go ahead. We gotta put our glasses on to say the verdict.
And then did you write on the other side, did you write the real order? All right, so Big Can was kind enough to write us a list. We're gonna show y'all first. Don't show us. We're gonna show y'all first. And then we will look and see how we did. So here.
Don't laugh too hard. Is it good guesses? Write down in the comments how we did.
You ready? You didn't like Popeyes? You can tell. I could tell McDonald's.
That is crazy.
Don't ever give me that Burger King sandwich again.
As soon as you
That
ate
was-
it, I was like, I know she knows it's Burger King.
Because I don't think I ever ate that.
You got all of them right? This game was rigged in my taste buds.
That's crazy because how many Popeyes chicken sandwiches have you eaten since they existed?
I done ate 4 on the face.
Exactly. So how the heck you didn't know what that tasted like? And you talking about something, it's nasty.
It was cold.
You've eaten cold Popeye sandwiches before?
That's crazy. I didn't get none of them right.
Which one? The McDonald's one was your favorite?
Yeah. I'll be back. McDonald's.
Respectfully.
Popeyes. It's cold. It was cold. It was cold.
They was all cold.
It was cold.
We're gonna go finish the rest of these chicken sandwiches now.
You gonna have the Popeye one. I'll get the McDonald's
We ain't
one.
got no more Popeyes because they ain't give us the right order, so we had to share it too. Like,
Oh, shit.
we did half of hers. That's why it was so little.
I appreciate you.
What you saw?
All right.
Actually, no. I cut them all the same. I ended up cutting them all the same exact way that we did yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's it.
So
We'll show them again.
I am victorious, per usual. So we're gonna go finish these chicken sandwiches.
That's a fact.
And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. You can follow us on all of our social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, all at Coolin' with Cousins. And we will see you next time.
Peace.
Is this your cousin? Yeah, that's my cousin. Good.